I thought I'd just show you the joints where the boards meet. Basically what I've done is I've cut a section of cork out at either side of the joint. I've then used copper clad, where I bought this already cut, although I had to buy 3 different heights, glue them together using a heat-proof super glue, so that when you remove the sleepers, pretty much the track sits on top of the copper. So what I would do is I would araldite the copper either side, lay the track across, and then just come across with my Dremel, and that worked fantastically well. What I also did on where the track crosses and it is perpendicular to the board, I would actually put 2 business cards, sandwich those between the joints, so that when you actually then bolt up the 2 halves of the baseboard, that extra width then means that you get very little joint. However, if you are obviously having separate sections, you don't want the power to jump across. Right, I will now show you my switch panel.